Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on COD mobile. So let's get into the video. So what you're going to do, you're going to add your Visa gift card as your payment option on your Play Store. So that's the first step. So open up your Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. So open up your Play Store and then hit on your profile here on your top right. Just click on it and then go to payment and subscription, and then now hit on payment methods. So open it up, and then once this loads here, so now you're going to add your Visa gift card here as your payment method. So click on add credit or debit card option, click on it, and then now what you're going to do, just plug in the details of your Visa gift card, and then once that's done, hit on save. So you have added your Visa gift card as your preferred payment method on your Play Store. So now all you have to do is simply install your COD or Call of Duty on your phone, and then whatever purchases you're making through in-app purchases will be processed through your Google Play via the card that you just added, which is your Visa gift card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.